Hi all, in this video we'll be seeing 5 things you wouldn't have known about the Mac. Okay, so the first thing is about the hot corners. So go to Spotlight Search and go to System Preferences, and under System Preferences go to Desktop and Server, go to Screen Saver, and here you'll find an option called Hot Corners. So select that, and here using the hot corners you can perform an action. So if I take my cursor to the bottom left of the screen, it'll take me to the desktop. If I take it to the top left, it'll put the display to sleep. So I can show you. So if I go to the bottom right of the screen, it'll take me to the launchpad. See, took me to the launchpad. Now if I go to the bottom left, it'll take me to the desktop. So this is one cool feature that you can use. And using your Mac, you can actually sign documents. So go to a PDF file and select the pen option here, and select this option here, which says sign, and you'll see a trackpad here. So click here to begin, and then you can put your sign here, right? This is a cool feature, and press any key when finished. So press any key and then you'll be done. See, you've created a signature here. Now, one more cool thing is go to System Preferences and search for dock. Go to the dock settings, and here you can increase the size of the dock. You can also have an animation effect here, which is the magnification effect. So when it's turned on and when I go to the dock, each application magnifies according to where I keep my cursor. I can also minimize and maximize the amount of magnification it could do. And I can also position the dock in the left hand side of the screen or even the right. I think bottom looks the best. And you can also select the feature here where it automatically hides the dock, and when I go to the dock using my cursor, it shows up, right? And now uh, go to the battery settings in the top right and select battery preferences. So here you can select low power mode. So this will consume less energy to increase your battery life. And the last but not the least is you might want your desktop folders to be organized. It's clustered here. So simply right click on the desktop and press select use stacks. So this will group items and will be much neater in the desktop. So I hope you found this video useful. Thank you.